Alright guys, so in today's video we have an affordable smartphone with feature-packed offering. This is the new Infinix Smart 9 HD. The Infinix Smart 9 HD is the latest addition to Infinix budget smartphone lineup, designed to deliver a rich user experience without breaking the bank. So before we start, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such videos. So first of all, we should dive into the unboxing experience. Here you get the box. It looks quite cool. Inside you get the phone, you get a charging brick, you get a charging cable and some paperwork. But our focus is all on the phone. The Infinix Smart 9 HD is boasted with a large 6.7-inch HD Plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate, offering smooth scrolling and vibrant visuals. It's 5000 nits of peak brightness, ensure excellent visibility even under bright sunlight. That's a bit of false. If you are going into the extreme sunlight area, this brightness might not be that perfect. But the phone is available in 3 stunning color options: coral gold, metallic black and mint green, making it stylish and modern. Additionally, dual speaker with DTS audio deliver an immersive multimedia experience for movies, music. So the overall phone looks quite amazing, quite stylish, and yes, you can see in the back there is a lot of lights. So coming to the camera capabilities, photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 13 megapixel dual rear camera setup, supported by dual LED flash. But there is a catch in the flash. You can see there is a big flash that is called zoom flash. So in the low light scenario, you are going to capture some amazing shot with, well, when did you see a selfie camera with dual LED flash? This is the first time I have been seeing on this phone. But this all ensure you are sharp and bright selfies in the smooth video calls for its price range. I mean, that is quite amazing. Smart 9 HD offers reliable and versatile photography options. Now coming to the performance and the battery part, under the hood, the Infinix Smart 9 HD is powered by the MediaTek Helio G50 octa-core chipset, providing reliable performance for everyday tasks and light gaming. It comes with 3GB of physical RAM and additional 3GB virtual RAM extension, ensuring smooth multitasking and lag-free usage. Well, 3GB RAM might sound a bit low, but there is thing you can expand it virtually. That will be really good if you expand it. Basically, that will help your phone to perform better. Well, the device is backed up by a massive 5000 mAh battery, promising up to 14.5 hours of video playback or 8.6 hours of gaming on a single charge. With the inclusion of USB Type-C port, charging is faster and more convenient, a feature rarely seen in this price segment. Coming to the other part of the phone, you even get a 3.5mm jack that is quite amazing for the music listener. Design is sleek, stylish it looks, and whatever your basic requirements is there, it has been fulfilled all here. So now coming to the verdict part, at a price of just rupees 6699. The Infinix Smart 9 HD delivers incredible value for money, offering features like high refresh rate display, a capable camera system, robust performance, and excellent battery life. Available in gold, metallic black, and mint green. The device is not only functional but also stylish. So that's it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Do hit the like button and comment if you have any kind of problem. And if you want to check out the phone, links are in the description. See you in the next one. Till the time, take care.